Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to solve this problem to find k value. Solution: k plus 5 whole power 2 equal to 81. Here we are going to take algebra formula here, that is a plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. This algebra formula we are going to apply here. So we'll get here k square plus 5 square plus 2k5 equal to 81. Here k square plus this 5 square is 25 plus 2 times 5 is 10k equal to 81. Here k square plus 10k, this 25, we are moving this 81 left hand side, so minus 81 equal to 0. Now k square plus 10k, here minus 56, 25 minus 81 is 56 minus 56 equal to 0. Here this 10k can be written as 14k minus 4k. This we are going to apply here. So k square plus 14k minus 4k minus 56 equal to 0. Here we are going to take k common out. So k plus 14. Here we are going to take minus 4 common out. So minus 4, open bracket, k plus 14 equal to 0. Now k plus 14 common out. So k plus 14, we are remaining, we have k minus 4 equal to 0. Now here we have k plus 14, k minus 4 equal to 0. This have two equations, one is k plus 14 equal to 0, other one is k minus 4 equal to 0. From this equation k equal to, we are moving this 14k right hand side, minus 14. Here same way, k equal to minus 4 is 4. This is the k value in first method. Now we are going to find this in other method, that method 2. Here the equation is k5 whole square equal to 81. From this method we are going to move this 81 left hand side. So k plus 5 whole square minus 81 equal to 0. So k plus 5 whole square minus this 81 is can be written as 9 square equal to 0. Now we are going to apply this algebra formula here, that is a square minus b square equal to a plus b, a minus b. This algebra formula we are going to apply here. So we'll get here k plus 5 plus 9, k plus 5 minus 9 equal to 0. Here we have two equations, one is k plus 5 plus 9 equal to 0, the one is this k plus 5 minus 9 equal to 0. Now here k, this is 5 plus 9 is plus 14 equal to 0. Here k minus 4 equal to 0. Here we are moving this plus 14 right hand side. So k k equal to minus 14. From here, k equal to minus 4 right hand side is 4. This is the same answer we got in method 2. Now we are going to try this in another method, that method 3, where the equation is k plus 5 whole square equal to 81. From this method, we are going to take a square root on both sides. So we'll get here k plus 5 whole square equal to 81. Here left hand side square root, right hand side square root, here plus or minus. Now the square and square root will cancel each other. So we have k plus 5 equal to plus or minus square root of 81. Now k plus 5 equal to plus or minus the square root of 81 is 9. Now here we have k plus 5 equal to plus 9 comma k plus 5 equal to minus 9. So k equal to plus 9. We are moving this plus 5 right hand side minus 5. Same way this k equal to minus 9 minus 5 right hand. Here k equal to 4. Here k equal to, here minus 9 minus 5 is minus 14. This is the possible answer in third method. Now we are going to verify this. Verify with the equation k plus 5 whole square equal to 81. Here the k values are k equal to 4 comma k equal to minus 14. These two values we are going to apply in the equation and verify. So 1, k equal to 4. 4 plus 5 whole square equal to 81. This is the equation. Here 4 plus 5 is 9 square equal to 81. Here 9 square is 81 equal to 81. So LHS equal to RHS. Here we have verified. K plus 5 whole square equal to 81. This is the equation. Here we are going to apply this k value is minus 14. So minus 14 plus 5 whole square equal to 81. Here the value here is minus 14 plus 5 is minus 9 whole square equal to 81. Here minus 9 whole square is 81 equal to 81. LHS equal to RHS. Here we have verified. Thanks for watching this video.